You know that sluggish morning feeling when you wake up and just can't seem to shake off the weight of a big dinner from the night before. It's like your body is stuck in neutral, and no matter how much coffee you drink, you just can't get moving. That's exactly why I'm so excited to share with you the gelatin trick, a simple daily ritual that's been a total game changer for me. The best part? It only requires three easy-to-find ingredients: water, lemon juice, and of course, gelatin. When you combine these three ingredients in just the right way, you get the gelatin trick, a powerful tool for waking up without the bloat and tackling your day with energy. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for weeks, swears by its ability to help her drop that heavy feeling and get moving in the mornings. So, if you're curious about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, be sure to check out the link in the description below for a more in-depth look. And take a peek at the pinned comment for some handy tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier you, and that's something to feel great about.